मेरा फ्रेंड आया कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा इसलिए हेलो ये सबका हो गया है नहीं हुआ Feeling cold, all HEs are off and then you feel cold. After some time, I'm not looking on. Come here. All of you come forward. Here, Gurpreet, where were you for 2 weeks? In my home. Why did you come for the class? What? Come here. Why did you attend the class? Reason? Only reason? Nehru में कहा? Why? ऐसे एग्जाम से understand? Oh, तो exam when you studying exam. मम्मी से पूछो मम्मी बोली मत जा तो मैं नहीं जा who is missing from the girls? What happened there? Rain she looks scared. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया but baby सब मेरे वजह से होता है hello maybe in the last two lecture exams over exams now what is going on here whereas then who is the left where is our Raju मुझे मालूम नहीं लगता वो लेट हो गया why is happening then why did you tell me where is our part sir exam is the exams are not going to over sir जिस दिन हमारा पेपर था उसके You will forward what is this? Yeah. Which chapter we are doing? Euclid. Introduction to Euclid geometry. What is the writing? Sir, downing. Yeah. Daily you study and daily planned out. You don't study daily. What is that? So that's what 20 questions. Well, yesterday. Day questions are solved. Day before example. Today. Additional. Tomorrow. Every day. Who then? Sit down. Take the homework for every put the homework each time. All done homework. Stand. Those are not done the homework. Make you stand up there. You are absent or present? I do not ask. No. Homework. Hey, why? Why did you do the homework? So you should take the other chapter and practice and make the answer. Actually, you write true, false, and come. Then what is there to write in that one? Other chapters you can take and revise. No. Revise. How? Yeah. Where have you gone? I forgot. Nice. And you? Yui? What happened? Huh? What happened to you? Cold is called not a disease, my dear. Disease? Headache. Sir, hey, Gurpreet. Yes, sir. Stand quietly. Okay. Now, why did you do the sums and now? So you can take any chapter and practice. Nice now. So what did you do there? You went for studies and you did not take the book. Sure. Huh? Exam. Okay. So when was the exam over? 27. From 27 this many days. Yes. And you said exam. Hello. When was the last exam in your school? 4. Now today is 7 July. Hey. ABCD I will tell. Okay. Monday when you are coming, 50 sums from center. 50. Okay. Now true false. True false past. Past. I'll call the parents. I'll call mommy and dad. 40. No 40, 50 some. Sit down. Screenshot. Yeah. Practice the sum. Don't come over here like that. I did do sums and don't come. Okay. What is this? A Euclid geometry. You were tell me Euclid first please. The holy no. Okay. Yeah. Then how many standard? You tell me what is Euclid first postulate? The confidence. I asked you what is first postulate. No. All of you close that volume. All of you. Aditi will belong to all. Aryaman. Hello. You people, I don't know this. I need all these things in the class now. Half of the time you people are playing only. Hey, turn this side. Sorry, that is why did you give to him? Sir, I didn't. You Gurpreet stand up. What? I don't need to hear all these things. Okay now. You keep your things over with you only. Why are you giving him? Sir, then you do. Then from your pocket only you have seen the pen. After you, why did you take? Why did you take? Come here, come out from there. Take the book also. Come and sit over here. Remove the thing. Listen, don't do this. Till this day, there was no problem. Now you come and start all this. Must be started. Yeah. Hey, you don't need to carry all the pen and all over here, okay? Whatever required, only carry. Yes. Did you study any Euclid postulate? What? Huh? Yeah.
See? Yeah.
All of you. Tell the first please.
The straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other.
You sit down. You tell the second postulate. Stand up. Terminated line can be extended both the sides. Then what? Things you don't tell. Yes, you second and third.
A terminating line can be extended indefinitely. Third is a circle can be drawn from any center and any radius.
Circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. You sit down. You also not you stand up. Tell.
Circle can be drawn.
And that already said. Next one. That was the third one now. Fourth one. Not less. You. I do the book. Tell the boss police. All right angles are equal. What are the quick one? I don't know. How many? Everything you find, what is this and all? Your things you not learn, huh? So, do one thing, you know. All of you after the class, if I can learn all these things and do. Okay, so you know, what is this after? These are all the class things that we do. Next class, I will ask all the axioms, all the postulates, learn and come. Understood or not? It's compulsory here to learn. And you were the first person never study anything. Yeah. Sit down. And you also, there is a chapter called Euclid Geometry. There are postulates and axioms are there. You take it and learn. Yeah. Okay. Next step. Now this pen means both will be at semi-autos. I don't need Aryaman. This or during I don't need. You keep the things inside. So tell to the office who is taken. He has taken. Tell to the office and you take. They will come complain to the parent. What else to do? Huh? I don't know. Yeah. And no need of giving the pen and all, exchanging and all. Good praise. Shame on you, or your name only always comes. Everyone is telling you are taking everyone's pen. No. Hello? Oi. What? Hey? Oi. Hey. Hello, hero. Quietly sit.
Yeah.
You also don't take my name for C.
Look here. You don't take anyone's pen and all. Okay. If you want a pen, you tell your parents, they will buy for you. So then why you take someone else? So whatever he says, you know, stand up. So you go out from the class. I'm telling you, know. Go. And stand outside until call the father to come only. Huh? But mommy is there, na? Huh? Come here. I'll tell you more things instead of that one. You know, these are axioms 25 times right from after. Going out very happy now. Okay. Write all the things 25 times. No punch come. Before going home. You know, you are in 9th standard in my year. Take one more thing. And you everything is there back answer. Sit down. Which are the chapters done?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
School, which are chapters test paper was there? School, which of chapters test was there? One. Let him tell now. You are from the same school? Over there also same thing is going. So then marks are come.
नहीं sir.
अभी तो over
Sit down.
19.
Sit down. Let the mark come. Let's see. Yeah. So what is your doubt? Aryaman?
Sir,
Question number
3.
3. What was your problem? You said you did not get anything. Read the question.
Give a definition for each of the following terms. Are there other terms that need to be defined first? Which are days and how much you define them? But parallel.
Give a definition for each of the following terms. There are other terms needed to be defined first. Okay. Then, which are they? You might. Okay. Parallel lines. Who wrote parallel lines? Yes.
The lines which do not intersect at any point in a plane and they are always equal.
Lines which do not intersect are called. First time hearing parallel lines.
Yes, sir.
So what are the lines? Lines which do not intersect are called parallel lines. Any terms means they are equidistant. These are all given now or not? Every points are equidistant. That is the condition. Okay. Then perpendicular lines. Who got it? Only one. Yes.
Sir,
Tell.
Two lines AB and CD lie in the same plane are said to be perpendicular if they form a right angle.
If the two lines form a right angle are called perpendicular. What is the meaning of right angle? Make 90 degree. What is the problem? Third one. You want to hear? The line segment. Yes, we will tell line segment. Yes, tell. You copied from somewhere and come out. Okay, tell.
that segment is a part of the line that two distinct points, say A and B on a line are given.
Most of the people are copied and come. Or did they tell? Line segment is a part of a line which is having how many endpoints? 2 endpoints. Okay, which is a 2 endpoints. You can tell endpoints. Draw a line segment also and show. Okay. Next one. Radius of a circle.
The distance from the center point on the surface.
Distance of the between the center and any point on the circle is called the radius. Are you followed? Okay. Distance between center and any point. And you can write what is the terminal. Every point on the circle is equidistant from the center. That distance is called the radius. Next. What happened? Next one. Square. Who else done? Srinidhi has done. Why? You followed now. Okay. Square. Aryaman.
A regular quadrilateral which has all 4 of its sides and angles as equal.
A quadrilateral in which all the 4 sides are equal and all 4 angles are equal. All angles are equal to how much? 90 degree. You know what is a square? It is a quadrilateral in which all the 4 sides are equal and all 4 angles are equal to 90 degree. Understood? Okay, sit down. Follow now condition. Second question. Now, that is the second question you have to write. Hello, Yui, you have to write. Third one. Now, next one. Feeding quality people. Next was question number 3. Question 3.
Given 2 postulates, given any 2 distinct points A and B, there exists a third point in which is in between A and B. Second, there exist at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? Are these postulates consistent? Do they follow from Euclid's postulates explained? So
there are 2 postulates are given. Okay, there are 2 postulates.
देखो भाई मेरे को नहीं पता मेरा नाम
क्या हुआ
मेरे को नहीं
क्या हुआ क्यों
मेरे से बिना पूछे दे ये वो थोड़ा है वो थोड़ा नहीं वो पहले से नहीं पहले मेरे को उसका ऐसा देखने दे
Again, started now.
सर वो तो मैंने थोड़ा सर ऑलरेडी से सर ऐसे तक दे हैव टू शॉर्ट बिटवीन
Look here, hey, listen, don't take other things. Why you people have to take other things? Yeah, you have to. Good break. Do you need to take other things? Now who who will replace it? You will replace it. Achha. Ah, very nice. Why you people have to take the other things? So you are also things, take it and throw and then many, that's it. Don't do these all things. Okay, there are this one. Two postulates are given. Given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C lies between A and B. What is the meaning? Anything you followed? What is the question asked? Do these postulates contain any undefined term?
Yes.
What is it?
That's it.
There should be a line. Yes or no? These 2 points should be in a straight line. There is a line segment that is undefined term. The term should be there. There is a distinct points. There exists a point C between A and B, so that these points are collinear. They lie on the same line. Then only you cannot pattern these or these two. A, B. If it is C over here, is it between or not? No. There exists a point on line AB. So that word should be there, line AB should be there. Understood or not? That is why it is not clear. Okay, second one. Second condition is what? There exist at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Yes or no? 3 points. Always, it is true statement now. Always 2 points are always on a line. Yes or no? More than 2 points only it is coming. 3 points like this one. If I take 2 points, they are always on a line. Yes or no? So 3 or more than 3 points, it can be on the line and it is not. Follow the statement. Condition. Okay. This exercise we are done. What we are done? Question 5 we are done. 3, 4, 5. 5 also done.
Yes, sir.
Midpoint done. Question 6. What is the question 6? In figure, if AC is equal to BD, prove that AB is equal to CD. Can you able to explain?
So the line segment is AC. So because the line between
Because in that means equal, not right? A, B, C, D, this way. B, C, and this is D now. Okay, what is given? AC is equal to BD. We have to prove that AB equal to CD. Yes, able to. You can tell. What did you tell Ariman? We are on the same line, they are equal. So on the same line always equal? No, that is not. It is given what? AC is equal to BD now. Have we seen AC? AC is the combination of 2 parts. Which are 2 parts? AB and BC. BD is the combination. Hello? Yes, sir? BD is the combination of which 2 parts? BC and CD. So this is the given condition. Then if I write AC minus BC is equal to BD minus BC. Can you write this way? Don't write. First listen. Can you write this way? Can we write this way?
Yes.
Reason.
Equals are subtracted by equals.
Equals are subtracted from equals. Remainders are equal. You have to write. Now look at the figure. What is AC minus BC? Check what is AC minus BC. AC minus BC. AB. And what is BD minus BC?
Sir, DC. Sir, CD.
CD or whatever given in the question accordingly write CD or DC. CD and DC are same thing. Okay, you will write 2 steps you will write. We have AC minus BC is equal to AB and BD minus what is it? BC is equal to CD. Therefore, AB is equal to C. Are you followed now? Okay, main step is this one. We subtracted BC, common thing from both the parts. Written, right? You have to write this postulate. What is the not postulate? Axiom. What is the axiom? Equals are subtracted from the equals, false, remainders are equal. Bharat, are we following?
Yes, sir.
Equals are subtracted from equals, remainders are equal. Done?
Yes.
Next one. Next.
Why is axiom 5 in the list of Euclid's axioms considered a universal truth?
Read the what is the Euclid's fifth axiom?
No, but hold. In this, it is given that it is not in his order.
Oh, in this question, read now what is it? If God is is it or not? Is it universal truth?
Yes.
Yes, it is universally acceptable now. All quantity will be always greater than its part. Okay, it is always everywhere. It is true, isn't it? The full thing is greater than it's the part of that one. Understood? That is statement form. You write it. Have you followed? What is it? What is it? It is every part, everything. In every common thing, it is always the full part is greater than the part of it. That is the condition you write. Answer if you want a statement form, you see what is behind is written. What is written over there?
There,
Don't write very detailed under, okay?
this is true for anything in any part of the universe.
Oh. Okay, but it is everything. It is true for everything. So it's a universal truth. Also, everything is universal truth.
So we'll start trying.
The little more part is there now. What is the read the two? What's that? Certain more conditions are there. That is solution answers. You don't know where are the answers.
Since this is true for anything in any part of the world, this is a universal truth.
Yeah, this where is the chapter Euclid geometry here?
70.
Can you see these on multiple choice? Answer to unsolved exercise. First time you are doing, it's a new chapter started. So you are not depending on going. Okay. Now, next is two equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate. Fifth postulate, all of you have to learn. Who has learned the fifth postulate? Me. When are you me learning? No. Usually I don't go to learn. When? Okay. Avnish wanted to tell you that. That-
Straight line can be drawn from any one part.
Okay, that is very costly.
The first person.
And faith, faith means five, very costly. Listen. Yes.
If a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angle on the same side, the sum of the interior angles is less than
Two makes two interior angles. Okay.
the sum of the two interior angles is less than two right angles. Then if the two straight lines are extended indefinitely, they meet at the straight line where the sum of angles is less than two right angles. So I had a data with
Huh?
I had a data with something.
Followed or not?
Yeah.
Very good. Srini is the only one learned that now. Remember? Did you learn? Whole exam started? Next week starting. So Didi, next class I will ask you, you must learn everything in time. Sure. Huh? When is your school exam? Still time is there. When is your school exam? Pakka? Or different? August. Okay. So, Jui, all fine now?
Yes.
Okay, then read the two equivalent versions. Page number. Who is making the noise?
Naman sir.
Yeah. Oh, all very innocent people, sir. Very innocent people. Yeah. Okay. Okay, read.
For every line L and for every point P not line on or L, there exists a unique line N passing through P and parallel to N.
Followed, what is the meaning? All of you read, every statement has its own meanings are there. All of you read and tell me what is the meaning. For every line L, means there is a line L, and every point P, which is not on the line L, there exists a unique line through the point P and parallel to L. Yes, what do you tell? Explain.
It is similar to the construction of a parallel.
Concept there. What is the meaning over here? If you take a line L, still not followed, listen. She at least followed for me. This is a line L. You take any point P, not on L. Through this point, how many lines can be drawn? Only one line. Infinite. Out of which always there is one line. Means unique line parallel to this one. Means through this one. Or if I take this point, through this point always we can draw a line parallel. Only one line. How many lines can be drawn? There is a unique line. For every line L and for every point P which is not on L, there exists a unique line through the point P and parallel to L. Follow that statement. Every statement has its own meaning. These are the equivalent meanings are coming. Okay. Second.
From figure, you can see that all of the lines passing through the point P, only line M is parallel to line S.
See, that's the same thing it is coming. Shraddha. So, from the figure, it is given the explanation only. You can see. Have you seen the figure? There is L. Through the point P, they have drawn 3 lines, out of which only one line is parallel. Hope you got it. Everyone. Okay. Shriya, you are not followed anything now? Okay. Next. Continue. Next. Wait. Some others read now. Bharat, read. His big watch is looking and sitting.
This result can also be stated in the following form. Two distant intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line.
Followed, what is the meaning? Two distinct intersecting lines. So that means if you
Every
draw.
line which is
So
geometrically can't be parallel.
No, what is the meaning? Ariman, what did you tell?
Sir, the lines which are intersecting the parallel and the well can't be parallel to M.
No, wrong. That is not the meaning. Who can tell the meaning? The just now he's read the statement. All of you read. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. Followed. Tell. Sir. Ariman.
सर एक लाइन सिर्फ एक लाइन में दो इंटरसेक्ट हो सकता है.
Okay, sir, I will.
You followed. Okay, tell.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, they cannot have a parallel line because as a parallel line it will intersect with the other.
To listen here. Two distinct intersecting lines. Mean these are the two distinct. These two cannot be parallel to a same line. If I draw this line, let's say this is L1 and L2, and let's say this is L3. L3 can be parallel to only one line. It cannot be parallel to both of them. Are you followed? If you draw two intersecting lines, you cannot draw a line parallel to both of these lines. You can draw a line parallel to any one of them. Are you followed? Now check the statement. Two distinct intersecting lines, both cannot be parallel to the same line. If L1 and L3 are parallel, then L2 is not parallel to L3. Understood or not? Or if another way, if I draw L4, L4 is parallel to L2. That means L1 and L4 are not parallel because they are intersecting. Follow out the meanings. Okay. Next. Continue. Arya. Man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the distance of a point from a line is the length of the perpendicular from the point to the line.
Sorry, so full stop. What is it? Distance of a point. This point. From this point, what is the distance to this line? Length of the perpendicular. I can join this way now. This I can join. I can join this way. I can join this way. I can this one join. What is the distance? Which is one which is perpendicular. Okay. P, Q, R, S, T, U, P, P, Q, P, R, P, S, P, T, P, U. Among this one, which is the distance between P and this line? PS. This is not the distance. Shortest distance is a perpendicular distance. Are you followed? What happened in between? Why you troubling? She's troubling.
She's not.
Oh, okay, no? You don't worry, okay? All right. Now you want to tell something? Tell now. Okay, nothing. Okay, next. Wait now some others also. Okay. Yes, next. Srinidhi.
This distance will be the same for any point on L from L and any point on L from M. So these two lines are everywhere equidistant from one another.
Are you followed L and M? If the two lines are parallel, when two lines are parallel, what do you mean by parallel lines? They don't meet each other. If these two lines are parallel, this is the distance of C from B. This is the distance. Okay, PA. From if I take Q, what is the distance?
QB.
QB. Okay, if I take this point R, what is the distance?
S.
C or anything. Okay, or this is the point RS, SD. All these distances are equal. Yes or no? Because they are parallel, no? They are parallel means this, all the distance. If they are parallel, if they are not parallel, they are not equal.
And if they are not equal, they are not.
Huh?
Then it's just equal to
Yes.
S is equal to-
Understood or not? Are you followed? When two lines are parallel, the distance between them are always equal. That is this distance, this distance, this distance. What is the meaning of distance? Perpendicular. Length of the perpendicular. Are you followed, Aditi? Aditi is imagining something. These are rectangles forming now. Huh? Opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. Okay. Very good, Aditi. Why she? Okay. She promised next class she will learn everything in 10 minutes. Yes. Not only Aditi, all of you. Others will make it easy. Avnish, exercise 5.2.
How would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate?
Euclid. What is it? How will you rewrite? Euclid. E will be silent. What is it? Euclid.
So that it would be easier to understand.
Yes. How do you rewrite? Really, Sardar, one slap and I'll throw him out. A small baby joke, you don't put, okay? All right. Baby joke, okay? Without hand, we will write. Okay, hand, you will write Sardar. Papa, write the right. Today you are going to write 25 times now with your hand. Huh? This is your, where's the mobile? After 25 times, you will come, I'll give. Where's the mobile? Line. Okay. So, how will you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate? Who can rewrite? Who can tell? Huh? Quantity angles you can tell now. If a line falls on two straight lines such that two interior angles on the same side adds up to 180 degree, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Understood or not? If a line, for that way you can write it. Okay, if a line falls on, if a line falls on two lines, if a line, straight line falls on two straight lines, makes interior angles on the same side. On the same side. Makes interior angles on the same side. If same side of it taken together or adds up to same side adds to 180 degree, adds to two right angles or second, adds to two right angles, or sum, whose sum is, instead of adds up, whose sum is 180 degree also, right? Then the lines are parallel. Your own statement you can write, okay? Then the lines are parallel. That is all. Yes. Second part. You want something? I'll take now, don't worry. Second one. Shraddha, read. Who has drawn that one? I don't remember the name. Okay. On the fan, yes. Enough. Okay, now. Are you read?
Does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines explode?
Just now only we explain now. She has to explain before that you can. Yes, no. Euclid's fifth postulate. Yes or no? Tells about yes. So you will write this way. Yes, explanation, you will write the same explanation. What is the same explanation? If a straight line falls on two straight lines such that the interior angles on the same side sum adds up to 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. Then the lines are parallel. Okay, Naman. Very early. When you got this is our Euclid geometry. We don't need to explain further. Aryaman, what happened? No. So in your school, any other chapter started?
So triangle and
Just finish.
so triangles. So finish further. So triangle.
Just finish coordinate.
So triangle start के हमारी starting. Coordinate starting now.
Lines are like concern.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lines and, lines.
You are going to school. Anything going in smart class.
Sir, how many times have you got target and saying yes, sir?
Around formula which is the some school is done.
Sir, can you please revise polynomial number system?
Revision but no revision, you are looking at how many times I said, you revise, you solve and tell me, sir, I will be able to do this. Hello. YouTube mein what? Hello, listen, there is no YouTube, don't use any YouTube channel.
Who uses it?
What? You are looking at now look here, once if it is done, no need to go to view, take the sums, that means what? Solving sum. You take the sums and solve, and if you are not getting, come and tell, sir, I am not able to. We will discuss now, that is the way to study. Not that I will be 5 sums are done, and in fact out of 5 sums you don't get, so I didn't get anything. Now, we are going to study the next chapter is triangles congruency. Congruent, are you about congruency of triangle? Huh? That's a 7th student. Do you know which are the list of congruencies? Do you remember? Better know when she tells you. Or when I have something always there. Okay, you want to tell?
Yes.
Yes. Right from there. There is no all of you want to close that one. Okay. Write to chapter name 7 or 8. 7. Open the notebook. Totally. Right. Next page. Chapter 7. Triangle. Spelling of triangles, all of you know.
Sir, I can put another place.
Okay. Very good. Reaching standard. Do you know what is a triangle? Well,
Sum of 3 sides.
Sum of 3 sides. All others be quiet. Whatever he says, let him tell. Sum of 3. Triangle means sum of 3 sides. You know what you mean by sum? Hands. Not all the people. Then 3 sides are already. You are there in the chapter lines and angles are done. You are done lines and angles. That time you are there also now. Yes. Yes. I asked you to close the volume. What you are reading? Stand up there. Do you know what the triangle? What is the triangle? It has 3 sides. Only 3 sides. Any 3 sides? 3 sides and 3 angles. Polygon of 3 sides. Do you know how you heard about polygon? First time hearing polygon. Who heard polygon? What is a polygon? Whatever you know.
Shape.
Any shape. Cross figure whose sides are line segments. Okay, cross figure whose sides are what? Line segments. How many line segments? 3 or more than 3 lines. If there are 3 sides are there, we say this polygon is called a triangle. If 4 sides are there, polygon is called quadrilateral. What is called quadrilateral? Have you heard about word quadrilateral? Quadrilateral. 5 sides means pentagon. 6 sides. That weight is going on, sector one. Second. Okay, sit down. Okay, sit down. Okay, so polygon of 3 sides. How many sides are for the triangle? 3 sides. How many angles are for the triangle? What are your hand is failing? Any problem here? Stand up there, Shraddha. Go to the board. Fast, run, draw a triangle. Who's at the same group? Name the triangle. Who's at that ABCD?
Sir, ABCD, sir.
Come here. Wrap the remaining parts of the ball. Okay, good. Please stand up. Have you seen the triangle? What is the name of the triangle? Triangle ABC. Can you tell any other name? Triangle. Tell loudly.
Triangle BSC.
Triangle BAC. Triangle BCA. Arey, Maina, no. Nice. Okay. Triangle. How many sides are there? Do you know? How many angles are there? Okay. Or 2. Loudly tell. When I have these all things you will not tell. Other things shouting. Sit down. Okay. You tell the name of the sides. ABC. Standard then how many sides are there for this triangle? Arey, look at the board. How many? That's why I made the triangle. How many sides are there for this triangle? Then proper name of 3. Then the side name. Triangle. Arey, hello. Adiman, what is your problem? Huh? Angle. Now triangle. Now very good. Nice. How many standard? Tell the name of the sides. AB. Have you seen AB? Did you tell? Not triangle A, triangle B, triangle C. Side is AB. These are all same thing when I made you lines and angle also. That time also you people said the same thing. Then I shouted and I said this one. Still. So AB, you know which is side AB? Can you tell another name for side AB? BA. Side BC. Side AC. Sit down. Stay as standard. How many angles are there? Huh? 3 angles. Tell the name of these 3 angles.
Angle ABC, angle ABC, angle BCA, angle CBA.
CBA.
CBA, sir.
BCA and CBA, everything. One is ABC. ABC can be written as CBA also. Okay. ABC and CBA are same thing. Or angle B, what one word is same way ACB or BCA and BAC or CAB. Okay. How many vertices are there? Which are the 3 vertices?
Axis B, A.
Vertex B, A, B, and C. Okay. Understood or not? Sit down. Now, have you heard about congruent? Yes. Who heard about congruent? Yes, tell what is congruent. Superimpose it will be same. What happens? Yes, what is the describe? What is the meaning of superimpose? It is overlap. Superimposing means what? You take it and put it on the top. It should overlap. Can you give an example of congruent objects?
A brick on a brick.
Brick on a brick. Then how will it? Now you know superimposing, you know, imagine brick of the same size. Okay. Can you give an example of congruent objects? Books. What books? These are congruent. Then
The page over page.
or page over page.
The page over page.
Now page by page is congruent. or more solids? Yes. Anyone else?
So two plates
Ah.
of the same
To take two plates of the same company of the same size. Huh? Company means what? Hello. Company means you take one company and other company. So what different products are there now? Okay. Suppose okay, there are different plates are there now. These companies and other companies may not be congruent exactly. Okay, with things which overlap. Now, mathematically, what we say means congruent means the quantities or objects which have the same size and the same shape. What is the congruent objects? Objects with the same size and the same shape. Okay, these are the congruent objects. Understood or not? If you take a pen of the same company, isn't it? They are congruent, same size and the same shape. Okay, of the similar pens and all like that. UT volume is beyond the max volume. Volume of every max volume is congruent. Or size volume like that. Okay, congruent. Not books of the same company. Okay, of the same number of pages. They are congruent. Understood what is congruent? No, same size and the same shape. Do you know when do we say two line segments are congruent? If they are equal in length, if AB is equal to 5 centimeter and CD is equal to 5 centimeter, we say that, hello, I'm going to ask everything, keep it done and you will not come to see this one. Previously, please stop now yourself. Okay. Now, Ajay, you are still going on. Now, two line segments, okay, are congruent means if they are equal. Do you know when we say two angles are congruent? They are equal measure. Measure means angles are equal, 60 degree and 60 degree. Notation of congruence, all of you know? Denoting congruence.
Yes.
How will you read this one? What is the meaning of this one? Line segment AB and CD are equal in length. Are you followed? Okay. How do you read this one? What does it mean? The equal angle measure, we say. Okay, now, whatever equal degree will come, equal degree measure. Understood, all of you? So, do you know when do we say two circles are congruent? Radius. What is the plural of radius? Radii. Radii. Double radii. Okay, RAD, double I. Not singular, double I. Okay, radii. They are equal radii. Understood or not? Okay. So follow. So that is the first condition we got. Now, so right, for triangles we wrote now. Okay, right. Two objects are said to be congruent. Two objects are said to be congruent. Two objects are said to be said to be congruent if they are of the same size and same shape. They are of the same size and same shape. Written, they are of the same size and the same shape. Yes, sir. Next, two line segments are congruent. Two line segments. In the next line you are writing now. Two line segments are congruent if they are equal length. If they are equal length. In the next line, two angles are congruent if they have equal degree measure. Two angles are congruent if they have equal degree measure. Equal degree measure. Symbol of congruence, all of you know now. So I don't need to write now. Now we are going to tell two triangles are congruent. Do you know?
No.
You, what do you know? I said your triangle. Okay. Two triangles are so often I am right. Do you know what is the meaning of two triangles are congruent?
So they have
Their sides are equal on their line.
Right.
so their sides and angles both are.
Right. Two triangles are said to be congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent if
They are said to be
congruent if their corresponding angles are equal.
there or they.
Their THEIR, their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal.
Corresponding.
Angles are equal, you wrote, and corresponding sides are equal.
Equivalent.
Both are equal. Corresponding sides are equal, and the corresponding sides are equal.
Sir, हो गया.
So
Okay.
corresponding and
Done.
equal.
Corresponding sides are equal. Chapter, revise and stand up, all of you. You people.
हाँ exactly बताओ.
क्या बताओ?
There will be
तो पैसा ले लेगा बात. हाँ. बहुत अच्छा किया है. इनका बिजनेस को हम कंप्लेंट कर देना फिर दोनों के हो. सारा उद्देश्य ले बाकी से. तो ये अपडेट कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे ना उस पे भी ये काम डाल